To edit your GoDaddy website after publishing, follow these steps. Log into your GoDaddy account. Open the GoDaddy website and log in with your credentials. Go to your My Products page to find your website under Websites plus Marketing. Access the website builder. Click on the Manage button next to your website. This will open the GoDaddy website builder. Make changes to your website. Once the website builder loads, you'll be able to edit different sections of your site. Text and images. Click on the section or block you want to edit. You can change text, replace images, and adjust layouts. Pages. To edit existing pages or create new ones, go to the Pages tab in the menu. Select the page you want to edit. Design. Modify the theme, color schemes, and fonts by navigating to the Design section. SEO settings. Under the Settings tab, you can modify SEO, site title, meta descriptions, and more. Preview and publish changes. After making the necessary edits, click the preview button to see how the changes look. If you're satisfied, click Publish to update the live version of your website.